Hello everyone, welcome to Bond Bytes, daily bond market highlights from INR Bonds. I am Nikhil. In today's market highlights, global bond yields are at 15-year highs, especially the 15-year US Treasury yields are traded at 4.4%, which is close to 15-year highs. And the 10-year USD Treasury yields touched 4.3%, and the 2-year yields are traded at 4.9%. And coming to the European bond markets, German bonds are at 2.74%, and Italy and Spain are traded at 4.4 and 3.5% respectively. In the domestic markets, we have gsec yields closed at 10-year closed at 7.21, and the 5-year yields are traded at 7.20, which is a flat yield curve. Before we go to further market updates and why the gsec yields could trade at 7.5% in the near future, I would request you to check out our Quick Invest app by INR Bonds, which is available on both App Store and Play Store. You can download the app now or access our web page platform to trade in the secondary corporate bond markets, and as well as the primary public debt issues as well.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR Bonds. Download the INR Bonds app to save better.
And if you're a financial advisor, we have a partner portal for you where you can place offers and bids on behalf of your clients. And also, we use our curated list of bonds to grow your asset under advisory.
Attention financial advisors. Want to attract new business and customers? Offering a new asset class is the key. With debt mutual funds and MLDs losing their tax advantages, your clients need to diversify fast. Look no further than corporate bonds, the perfect solution for safety and good returns. Partner with INR Bonds for expert guidance and valuable resources to get started. Access a wide range of bonds on our portal and manage your client investments with ease. Visit partners.inrbonds.com today and unlock new business potential.
Coming back to the market highlights, globally, the sudden sharp rise in yields because of the Fed meeting minutes show that there are significant upside risk for the inflation, which could leave some space for the Fed to raise interest rates again in this year in the following policy meetings. However, the interest rate future doesn't show any kind of signs, but given the minutes show some signals that policymakers can go further for another rate hike, as they're not convinced with the current inflation rate, and there are significant upside risk as well, which can pull up the inflation higher. In domestic markets, in the previous week, RBI has kept the repo rate at status quo, and with that, they have brought in the incremental CRR. They have rose that incremental CRR to 10%, which sucked out most of the liquidity from the market. Pre-RBI policy meeting, the market liquidity stood at 2 lakh crores, and all of a sudden, post RBI policy meeting, that is in this week, the market liquidity surplus fell to 20,000 crores. However, as of today, the market liquidity stands at above 1 lakh crores. So, given this tight liquidity conditions and the rising inflation pressures in India, domestic inflation came at 7.4%, which is much higher than the tolerance level of 6%. However, RBI expects this inflation to be a transitory, given the sudden sharp rises in vegetable prices. So, given this tight liquidity conditions and rising inflation, and as well as the global rise in sell-off in the bond markets could add some pressure to our domestic GSECs. So, which is why we also saw some rally in the yields. That means the prices fell for the GSEC. So we have seen the GSEC yields moving up from 7.05% to 7.25% in the last 3 to 4 weeks. In the corporate bond market space, Credit Access Grameen is coming out with a public issuance, which is opening the next week. The 24 months paper is coming out with a yield of close to 9.48%, and the 5-year paper is coming up with a yield above 10%. For more assistance to place bids or to participate in this IPO, do contact us. The contact details are given in the description box below. On equity markets front, Sensex and Nifty closed on a negative note, and US future market shows that US indices are likely to open on a negative note as well. And in the currency space, USD INR is traded on a flat note at above 83 levels. In the cryptocurrency market, after the news came out in the public that the SpaceX has dumped all their positions in the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin price also fell. When the bearishness across all the asset classes is also one of the reason why there is a sudden sell-off in all of them. And thank you for listening in. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Not done so. Thank you.